Hey, let's draw fast food together and listen to the story of them. Once upon a time, there was a slice of pizza named Pepper. He was a pepperoni pizza, and he loved his spicy toppings. He lived in a big pizza box with his friends who had different toppings. One day, Pepper decided to go on an adventure. He wanted to see the world out of the pizza box. He was curious about what other foods were like, and what if they were spicy or not. He said goodbye to his friends and climbed out of the box. He walked around the kitchen looking for something exciting. He saw a group of fries, a burger, and a Coca-Cola drink on the table. He thought they looked fun and decided to say hello. "Hi, I'm Pepper. I'm a slice of pizza. What are you?" he asked. The fries, the burger, and the drink were happy to see a talking pizza. They introduced themselves. "I am Fritzy. I'm a French fry, and these are all my brothers and sisters. Nice to meet you," said one of the fries. "I am Patty. I'm a burger. Pleased to meet you," said the burger. "I'm Cola. I'm a soda. How do you do?" said the drink. They invited Pepper to join them for a party. They said they were celebrating the birthday of one of the fries, and they had a lot of fun things to do. They asked him about his life in the pizza box, and he told them about his friends and their toppings. They told him about their life on the table and how they liked to dance, play, and laugh. Pepper was happy to make new friends. He realized that there were many different kinds of foods in the world, and they could all have fun. He decided to invite his new friends to visit his pizza box someday, and they agreed. They exchanged high fives and said goodbye. Pepper went back to his pizza box, feeling excited and grateful. He told his friends about his adventure, and they were happy for him. They looked forward to meeting his new friends soon. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more daily videos. See you soon. Bye.